Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. So the question is saying, at equilibrium, the concentration of N2 is 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 molar, and the O2 is given by 4.2 into 10 raised to the power 3 molar, and NO is given by 2.8 into 10 raised to the power 3 molar in a sealed vessel at 800 Kelvin. What will be the Kc for the reaction? हमें यहाँ पे equilibrium constant निकालना है, and reaction हमें given. So what could be the key concept here? So the key concept here will be equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is basically denoted by K, and talking about Kc is given as the ratio of the concentration of the product in basically molarity divided by the concentration of the reactant. तो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट में है हमारे NO, जो इसका कोफिशिएंट होता है उसकी पावर बन जाती है, तो दैट विल बिकम NO स्क्वायर and divided by their product and reactant, so N2 multiplied by concentration of O2, putting their values. So the concentration of NO is 2.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 molar, इसका होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा अपॉन में 4.2, it will become 4.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 3.0 10 raised to the power 3. अगर 2.8 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 28 का स्क्वायर हमारा होता है बेसिकली 784, तो 2.8 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 7.84 और 10 रेज़ पावर माइनस 3 का 10 रेज़ पावर माइनस 6. अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4.2 को 3 से, सो इट विल बिकम 12.6 इंटू 10 रेज़ पावर माइनस 3 और 10 रेज़ पावर माइनस 3, ये 10 रेज़ पावर 6 हो जाएंगे. सो इट विल कैंसिल आउट. सो हमारे पास क्या होगा 7.84 डिवाइडेड बाय 12.6. So the answer will come as 0.622. So the Kc is 0.622 and we have to calculate the same. Hope you understood that. Best of luck.